10 superhit Bollywood movies of Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor Khan has been impressing us with her incredible acting for past 20 years. From the moment she first appeared on screen, she showed a natural talent in front of the camera. Kareena has a unique ability to truly become the characters she plays, making every role believable and compelling. Kareena अपनी खूबसूरती पर रिलाई कर सकती थी, but instead she chose to challenge herself with diverse roles and proved her versatility. Recently appointed as the National Ambassador by UNICEF India, here are 10 of Kareena Kapoor Khan's best films for you to enjoy. Number 10. Refugee, 2000. Refugee is marked as the debut of Kareena Kapoor and Abhishek Bachchan and is directed by J.P. Datta. Abhishek plays a man who secretly helps people cross the Indo-Pak border, a business that got busier after the 1971 war led to the creation of Bangladesh. He usually doesn't care much about the people he helps until he meets Kareena's character. During one of these crossings, they fall in love. करीना इंडिया जाना चाहती थी क्योंकि उन्हें अपने वालिदैन के पसंदीदा लड़के से शादी नहीं करनी थी. She begs Abhishek to help her get to India to avoid an arranged marriage. They become close and she ends up pregnant. She gives birth in the no man's land between India and Pakistan. Kareena was praised for her natural performance and her chemistry with Abhishek was well received.
दादी चलो मेरे साथ.
मैं चलूंगी तुम्हारे साथ, लेकिन मेरी भी एक शर्त है. इस पर कोई आंच नहीं आनी चाहिए.
Number 9. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, 2001. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum is a Bollywood movie from 2001 directed by Karan Johar. It features a star-studded cast including Amitabh Bachchan, Jaya Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol, Hrithik Roshan and Kareena Kapoor. The story is like a modern-day version of the Ramayana. Yashvardhan Raichand, played by Amitabh Bachchan, and Nandini Raichand, played by Jaya Bachchan, adopt a son named Rahul, Shah Rukh Khan, who later falls in love with Anjali, Kajol, a girl from a middle-class family. ये कहानी है प्यार और परिवार की. Later, Rahul's younger brother Rohan, Hrithik Roshan, brings the family back together. He falls for Pooja, Kareena Kapoor, Anjali's younger sister, and with her help, they mend the family's broken bonds. Some say Poo's character was inspired by Alicia Silverstone's role in Clueless from 1995. The film gained immense popularity and is still talked about on social media.
If I remember right, परसों के दिन भी यही पहना था ना तुमने?
why?
तुम्हें काफी सूट करता है.
Number 8. Chameli, 2004. In the movie Chameli from 2004, directed by Anant Balani and Sudhir Mishra, the cast includes Kareena Kapoor and Rahul Bose. Aman Kapoor, played by Rahul Bose, is a rich banker who lost his wife Neha in a car accident, leaving him feeling very sad and alone. One night, he ends up stuck in a flooded street after his car breaks down and his phone dies. In that moment of distress, he meets Chameli, a street-smart prostitute played by Kareena Kapoor. इसी मौके में उनकी जिंदगी का अंदाज बदलता है. She shows him a different side of life, making him realize the struggles of the underprivileged and helping him find a new perspective.
बाबा की बीमारी का फायदा उठाकर मेरा मामा मुझे शहर ले आया. नौकरी दिलाने. नौकरी क्या? साले हरामी ने मुझे धंधे पर बिठा दिया.
Number 7. Omkara, 2006. Omkara, directed by Vishal Bhardwaj in 2006, is a Bollywood adaptation of Shakespeare's Othello. The story unfolds in a rugged terrain of North India, where the plot revolves around the betrayal orchestrated by Langda Tyagi, played by Saif Ali Khan, reminiscent of Shakespeare's Iago. Feeling resentful due to perceived slights because of his disability, Tyagi seeks revenge by manipulating his friend Omi, Ajay Devgan, suspecting his wife Dolly, played by Kareena Kapoor Khan, of infidelity. Omi tragically ends her life in a fit of jealousy. ultimately leading to his own demise. Vivek Oberoi's character Keshu, Cassius, is the lone survivor witnessing the tragedy with silent sorrow. Ajay Devgan's portrayal captures Othello's complexity, while Kareena Kapoor Khan embodies Desdemona's innocence. शेक्सपियर का काम निभाना करीना के लिए एक नया तजुर्बा था, लेकिन उन्होंने अपने रोल में कायम रहकर अपने कैरेक्टर के लिए दीवानगी पैदा की।
कहीं किसी को तोहफे में तो नहीं दे बैठी?
किसे देंगे ओमकार हम तोहफा? तेरे सिवा हमारा है ही कौन?
Number 6. Jab We Met, 2007. In Jab We Met, directed by Imtiaz Ali and starring Shahid Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor, we meet Geet, a bubbly and outgoing girl who loves herself. One day she encounters Aditya on a train headed to Punjab, and their meeting changes both their lives. Aditya is struggling with thoughts of suicide after his mother leaves his father for another man. Despite Geet's chatty nature, Aditya initially ignores her as she spills out her life story. But soon, they form an unexpected bond, with Geet missing her stop because of Aditya, and then insisting he helps her reach her home in Bhatinda. Through their journey, Aditya undergoes a transformation, becoming a better person. Later, he discovers Geet's boyfriend has abandoned her and he helps her reconcile with her family. Eventually, they decide to get married.
मेरी गलती है, बेशरम। मैं तुम्हारा हेल्प कर रही थी, तुम्हें मुझे थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए और तुम मुझे एटीट्यूड दिखा रहे हो।
Number 5. 3 Idiots, 2009. 3 Idiots, a film directed by Rajkumar Hirani and starring Amir Khan, R. Madhavan, Sharman Joshi, Kareena Kapoor, Boman Irani and Omi Vaidya, is a movie that many people love to watch over and over again. It's not just a movie, it's a commentary on our education system, and it really strikes a chord with audiences. The story revolves around 3 friends, Farhan, Raju and Rancho, who are studying engineering in Delhi. Farhan loves wildlife photography. Raju struggles with his studies and relies on prayers, while Rancho believes in understanding the subject. They have many adventures together, and their journey to find Rancho who disappeared leaves them stunned.
कोई और हाथ ढूंढ लेना इस घड़ी के लिए, गधे।
Number 4. Heroine, 2012. Heroine, directed by Madhur Bhandarkar in 2012, is a peek into the chaotic world of Hindi cinema. The story revolves around Mahi Arora, played by Kareena Kapoor, a talented Bollywood actress grappling with bipolar disorder. Her personal life is a roller coaster. She struggles to maintain relationships and faces relentless scrutiny from her past. Whether it's her unstable romantic partners or her own questionable career decisions, Mahi finds herself in constant turmoil. वक्त का सफर कभी दिल को भी रास्ता दिखाता है. In a desperate attempt to revive her fading career, she resorts to sensationalism, only to feel isolated in the end. Heartbroken and disillusioned, she decided to walk away from the industry, seeking solace abroad. Despite criticism for its messy plot, Kareena Kapoor's portrayal of Mahi earned widespread acclaim.
हॉस्पिटल गए चेकअप के लिए तो अबॉर्शन हो गया, एलए गए तो प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करवा ली, और गॉड फॉरबिड दुबई गई तो उसका रेट कार्ड बन जाता।
Number 3. Veere the Wedding, 2018. Veere the Wedding is like a fun roller coaster ride where the ladies take the lead and show that they can have a blast just as much as guys, if not more. It's refreshing because it doesn't take itself too seriously. Instead, it gives you a playful nudge to join in the fun. Kareena Kapoor Khan shines as Kalindi Puri, a girl who's afraid of commitment but finds herself tangled in the chaos of wedding planning. Sonam Kapoor Ahuja plays Avni, a divorce lawyer secretly enjoying her own adventures. Sakshi and Swara complete the squad, each with their own struggles and triumphs. ये फिल्म दोस्तों की मजेदार कहानी को दिलचस्प तरीके से बयां करती है।
आंटी, मुझे हमेशा से बेटी चाहिए थी। जब शिशु छोटा था मुझे बड़ा शौक था उसे फ्रॉके पहनाना, क्लिपें लगाना।
Number 2. Good News, 2019. Good News, directed by Raj Mehta and starring Akshay Kumar, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Diljit Dosanjh and Kiara Advani is a hilarious comedy about pregnancy. It follows the story of Varun Batra, Akshay Kumar and Deepti Batra, Kareena Kapoor Khan, a couple from Mumbai who are struggling to conceive. On the other hand, Honey Batra, Diljit Dosanjh and Monica Batra, Kiara Advani from Chandigarh are also facing the same challenge. दोनों couples अपनी तकलीफों का सामना कर रहे होते हैं and they all end up at a posh IVF clinic run by Dr. Joshi, Adil Hussain and his wife Tuska Chopra. लेकिन एक नाम की मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग की वजह से क्लिनिक में गलती हो जाती है और दीप्ति और हनी के स्पर्म्स का मिक्सअप हो जाता है. The chaos unfolds as the couple try to navigate their differences, eventually leading to a laughter-filled moments and unexpected friendships. Kareena Kapoor Khan shines as a career-driven woman determined to become a mother, adding depth and humor to the storyline.
तुम्हें बच्चा चाहिए कि नहीं?
Of course चाहिए, पर ऐसे नहीं कि बेडरूम में जाते हो ऐसा लगे जैसे सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक के लिए जा.
Number 1. Angrezi Medium 2020. In the movie Angrezi Medium released in 2020, we see some familiar faces like Irfan Khan, Radhika Madan, Deepak Dobriyal and Kareena Kapoor Khan, directed by Homia Jania. Now, Kareena Kapoor Khan, she's someone who's always been in tune with the times, right? Like she's all about going with the flow of what's hot in the current scene. But in this movie, she surprised everyone by taking on a smaller but super important role alongside Irfan Khan. Like, she wasn't all about hogging the screen time. She was more about making a mark with her character, you know. She played this tough London cop, which was totally out of her comfort zone. But man, did she nail it. It was like she owned the screen as this badass police woman. वो काफी empowering movie थी, right? करीना ने खुद भी कहा था कि वो सिर्फ कुछ अलग करना चाहती थी, कुछ नया ट्राई करना चाहती थी. And see, it totally paid off.
अब्दुल रज़ाक, तुम्हारी बेटी हिंदू कैसे हो सकती है?
पापा, मुस्लिम कब हुए?
और तुमने बताया क्यों नहीं तुम्हारी बेटी?
ये कौन है? अब कब अफेयर चल रहा है इसके साथ?
Over her 2-decade career, Kareena Kapoor Khan has consistently wowed audiences with her outstanding performances. From drama to comedy to romance, her range knows no bounds. And that's what makes her fans eagerly anticipate each of her films. Now the question is, what do you want to see next from Kareena? More drama? More comedy? Or perhaps something completely unexpected? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates.